today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Simcity app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps, come to apps list, and then you're looking for Simcity app, or just click on search. Then here at Simcity, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click here on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, you search here for Simcity, it's going to show for you like this here. So then here you search for Simcity, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.